Before you even say a word, she's already made up her mind. Sounds crazy, but in just 5 seconds, she's already noticed something about you that most guys completely miss. Let's start with what most guys never pay attention to: your eyes. Not your eye color, not your lashes, but your gaze. Within the first few seconds, women are picking up. Are you confident? Are you anxious? Are you checking her out too much? A calm, focused gaze says, I'm sure of myself. But darting eyes scream insecurity. When you enter a room, make brief but confident eye contact, then move naturally. Don't stare, don't skin like a robot. Most guys walk in slouched, hands in pockets, head down. Big mistake. She's checking. Are you standing tall? Do you look comfortable in your own skin? Do you carry presence? Walk like you belong. Stand like you own the room, even if you're nervous. Straight back. Shoulders slightly pulled. Chin neutral. This isn't about being aggressive. It's about being grounded. Yeah, it sounds vague, but she notices it instantly. Your energy speaks before your words. Are you tense? Open? Bored? Curious? Think about it. The best-looking guy in the room still gets ignored if he walks in with low energy. Confidence isn't volume. It's calmness. It's that inner, I'm good either way energy. That's magnetic. She sees it instantly. Is your hair neat? Do you smell good? Are your nails clean? You could be in a basic tee and still look attractive. If you're well-groomed, looking put together says, I respect myself, and I respect you. That alone puts you ahead of 90% of guys. Not just smiling for no reason, but the vibe your face gives off. A guy who walks in with a chill, confident half-smile looks far more approachable than someone with a blank or tense face. It's the difference between I'm open and don't talk to me. Start noticing your default expression. It's saying more than you think. So remember, in those first 5 seconds, it's not about perfection, it's about presence. Your eyes, posture, energy, grooming, and expression are your silent resume.